Hello students, today we are going to see parts of sentence. There are two types of sentences, two parts are here. Subject part, predicate part. In the subject part definition, first of all we are seeing it is a word, it is a phrase, it is a clause. It means that a word will become as a subject, a phrase will become as subject, and a clause will become as a subject. In a sentence, who or what does the action? What and who, क्रिया कोण करतंय, ॲक्शन कोण करतंय, हे म्हणजेच या ठिकाणी करता आहे. यानंतर प्रेडिकेट म्हणजे काय? इट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ सेंटेन्स दॅट टेल्स अस, जो की सांगतोय काय, समथिंग अबाउट द सब्जेक्ट. या सब्जेक्टबद्दल जे काय सांगत आहे ते म्हणजे काय, प्रेडिकेट आहे. Here we are saying about the subject. In the definition we have seen here, it is a word, it is a phrase, it is a clause in the sentence, and that shows who or does the action. Here he is a subject. He has played cricket. It means that this is a word. A word come only there as a subject. Here a black crow sat on the tree. Here a black crow. Here 1, 2, 3. Means three words came here in the subject place. Here actually main head word is which there, crow is there, and other word there, black adjective, and a is a article here. So this is a phrase, and this phrase came in the place of the subject. Now a man who is tall. Here you see here, actually a man is a subject, but here we have added there more information about here. So a man who is tall, it means here subject to, and then what there, predicate. This is a clause, this is a one small sentence, and so this is what they are all subject. This is subject, this is also subject here. So this clause came there in the sentence. A man who is tall is my close friend. We can say a man is my close friend, but we added subject and predicate in it. So this is become the word there, clause. Subject who and is tall is a predicate. So this is a clause. So word, phrase, clauses are coming into the place of the subject. Here we have to see here subject. Actually usually it occurs before the predicate. म्हणजे याचा अर्थ असा होतो की प्रेडिकेटच्या अगोदर सरासरी हा सब्जेक्ट पार्ट येतो. द लायन हॅज इन्व्हायटेड यू टू लिव्ह ॲट हिज कोर्ट. याच्यामध्ये सब्जेक्ट कोण आहे, तर इथं लायन आहे, आणि बाकीचा जो हॅज इन्व्हायटेड यू टू लिव्ह ॲट हिज कोर्ट इज अबाउट दिअर प्रेडिकेट. ओके, इट ऑकर्स आफ्टर द प्रेडिकेट इन द मिडल. ओके, म्हणजे तो प्रेडिकेट नंतर येतो किंवा तो मिडलमध्ये सुद्धा येतो. इन द कोर्ट शुड पिकॉक्स फ्लाउंट. ॲक्च्युली इन द कोर्ट फ्रेज आहे. ओके, ॲक्च्युली इट कम्स आफ्टर हिअर, आणि ही जी लाईन अशा लाईन आहेत, हे लाईन्स आहेत, ॲक्च्युली पोएट्स आर युजिंग इन द पोएम. शुड इज हेल्पिंग वर्ब, मीन्स मोडल ऑक्झिलरी वर्ब, and peacocks is the subject here, and the verb is the flaunt. Or what there, should flaunt in the court is a predicate. Peacocks should flaunt in the court, like this sentence will become here. But in the poem, poets are using subject sometime into the middle. Third number, इट ऑकर्स ॲट द एंड. कधी कधी असं होते पोएट काय करतो, एंडला तो वापरतो बिकॉज टू ब्रिंग द रायमिंग वर्ड. ओके. हाय अप इन द कूलर एअर फ्ल्यू द vulture. Actually, the vulture is a subject. Vulture flew high up in the cooler air. Like the sentence will become. But poet is using the what? The subject at the end of the sentence. So like this, here where the subjects are coming into the sentence, that we have seen here. 1 number, 2 number, 3 number. 1 before the predicate, 2 it occurs after the predicate or into the middle, and 3rd number at the end of the sentence. या ठिकाणी पहा सब्जेक्ट हे 2 मध्ये विभागलं आहे. हेडवर्ड, आता त्याच्यात हेडवर्ड म्हणजे मुख्य शब्द, आणि या ठिकाणी क्वालिफायर म्हणजे एक्सप्लेनेशन अबाउट द हेडवर्ड. Example here we are taking here head word. In the head word, noun and pronouns are coming. Before the noun we are using these qualifiers. अजून बरेच आहेत qualifiers. First we have seen here determiners. Determiners means here what here, the word which specify the noun or clarify which noun is. Okay, these are the word here determiners. Here first is article a and the, means a man, the man. Okay, an apple. Like this we are using. Possessive nouns, my, our, your, yours, then her, his, her, their. Like these words. Here my book, your book, their book. Like this we are using. Their book, their is a possessive determiner, and book is what their noun. Here numbers. There are 2 types numbers: cardinal numbers and ordinal numbers. Cardinal means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 infinite. Okay. Then ordinal number means first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, last, next, middle. Like this. Then T number here, quantifier. Quantifier means few, many, some, any, all, several. Like this words are coming into the quantifiers. And E demonstrative, this, that, these, those, such, yonder. Okay, such, yonder. This we are actually demonstrate, we are showing the one thing which is near. That we are showing also there one thing which is far away from us. And this is the plural of this, and those is the plural of the that. Here we have to see 2 number quantifier, adjective. Adjective here. Adjective means more information about the noun. Here clever man. Clever is an adjective. So it is a word there, means adjective म्हणून आपण या ठिकाणी वापर करतो quantifier मध्ये. Okay. See, adjectival phrase or phrase added with the subject. म्हणजे सब्जेक्ट सोबत दुसरे अजून काही शब्द आपण त्या ठिकाणी ऍड करतो, ते म्हणजे या ठिकाणी adjectival phrase or phrase added with the subject. A black crow. Actually crow is a subject. A black. Okay, black is adjective and a is the article. A black crow. We have added some words here. Sitting on the wall. Sitting on the wall. Sitting on the wall is what their phrase which is giving information about the crow, means this is subject. So we have added their words here. So all this become here what here subject. It comes all here what there in the place of subject, and flew away is a predicate here. Number example next here, a blind man with a stick. a blind man. Okay, it's subject there, but here added words or this phrase. What with a stick is what there what adjectival phrase is walking in the park. So a blind man with a stick is a subject and is walking in the park is a predicate. Present participle means या ठिकाणी वर्बला आय एन जी जेव्हा येतं का नाही वेन वी आर ॲडिंग सफिक्स ऑफ द आय एन जी टू द मेन वर्ब राईट रायटिंग प्ले प्लेइंग सी सीइंग लाईक दिस अ ड्राउनिंग मॅन इज अ man and drowning here we have draw. Okay, here what they draw drowning becomes the adjective of the man here means of the noun, more information giving of the noun. So but it is what they are present participle. Okay, here gerund here also same also here, but use of the gerund and participle is different. Same word here driving is fun. This used as a noun, it means gerund. It used as a what there adjective, it is a present participle. Here driving is a fun, driving is a what there noun, it is a subject. Infinitive to advise सल्ला करणं कसं आहे इट इज अ इन्फिनिटिव्ह मीन्स टू प्लस मेन वर्ब इज शोइंग द नाउन हियर इन द सेंटेन्स. टू अडवाइस इज easy and is easy is a predicate here. So in this way these all are the quantifiers, these all are coming into the sentence. Okay, sorry, qualifiers, all over they are qualifiers. So you have to keep these all things as a subject there. तर आता पहा या ठिकाणी बी नंबरचा पार्ट जो म्हणजे पार्ट ऑफ सेंटेन्सचा जो आहे तो म्हणजे प्रेडिकेट आहे. तर प्रेडिकेटमध्ये जे 1 2 3 4 पार्ट आहेत म्हणजे वर्ब. ॲक्च्युली प्रेडिकेट स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द वर्ब. सो ह्या वर्बमध्ये कोण कोण आहेत, हेल्पिंग वर्ब आणि मेन वर्ब. मेन वर्बच्या अगोदर काय असतं, हेल्पिंग वर्ब असतं. जसं आय एम रायटिंग, त्यामध्ये रायटिंग हे मेन वर्ब झालं, त्याच्या अगोदर काय ॲम वापरलं आहे. दिस शोज द टेन्स. ओके, दिस शोज द इन वी आर युजिंग दिस हेल्पिंग वर्ब इन टू द negative sentence or anything. But in the predicate part, verb is very important. From the verb, what there predicate part is there. In the predicate also object is there, direct object, indirect object. पहिल्यांदा इनडायरेक्ट असतं, नंतर डायरेक्ट असतं. मी इथं मुद्दाम असं लिहिलं आहे की जर आपण इनडायरेक्ट इथं घेतलं तर त्याच्या पूर्वी टू वापरायचं. ओके, नेक्स्ट इयर कॉम्प्लिमेंट. देर आर टू टाइप्स देर, subject complement, object complement. The complement which gives the information about the subject is called what there subject complement, and the complement which gives the more information about the object is called what there object complement. Here adjunct means what there additional किंवा ॲक्च्युली त्याच्यामध्ये जरी ते नसला वर्ड तर चालतो. एक्झाम्पलमध्ये बघा, ही वेक्स अप अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग. इथं अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग इज अ adjunct. जे काही असे एक्स्ट्रा वर्ड्स आहेत, जे ॲडिशनल वर्ड्स आहेत, ज्याच्यामध्ये त्याचा वापर असला तरी चालतो किंवा नसला तरी चालतो, अशा प्रकारच्या वर्डला काय म्हणायचं, adjunct म्हणायचं. सो लाईक दिस प्रेडिकेट पार्ट इज दिस. मेन इम्पॉर्टंट म्हणजे काय, या ठिकाणी सब्जेक्ट इज who does the action and what does the action is what their subject, and predicate means what their the phrase, the words which is telling about the subject. Okay, thank you all of you by watching this video.